Keely's got a YouTube
I would not
channel.
be mad.
I'm gonna get one.
Keely's got one.
What does she do?
She does Animal Jam videos.
Animal Jam videos?
I'm more about mechanical
She doesn't
videos
want to do Minecraft?
instead of Animal Jam.
Penny drop. Drink.
Penny drop for drinks.
Yeah.
I'm with you, George.
All right, man.
Woo! Hey, we're having fun before Hurricane Irma. Town of Sanford.
Downtown.
Exactly, downtown.
Of course.
She says her activity's private. Well, I'm on.
Oh man, she's managed to block you. She blocked you.
You blocked
Oh man, she's figured.
So we'll just block him.
She's figured
She's got
out.
19 subscribers.
Who's that?
Keely.
Really?
She does Musically more than she does that though. Look,
I know I get hundreds of notifications from her a day.
her Musically.
Yeah.
You guys were right, I wasn't recording.
Musically like.
I know. I'm trying
Now
to
I am.
I'm glad.
No, now I am.
I'm recording now.
Now I'm recording, sorry.
Couple mood
So the whole time
Sorry,
we're done,
couple of mood enhancers. Like I said, Hurricane Irma's coming and we're getting ready. This is Florida.
Oh, this is
Downtown.
I got a missed call from Keely.
Downtown Florida, hurricane.
every day.
Hurricane Sanford, day.
It has happened, did it?
Day.
Day.
And look, just pan over to the sign. That way. Third day.
Day.
Every day this happens in downtown Sanford.
West End. West End, guys. This West End in Sanford.
Oh, there's the sign.
Every day.
I put that right on Facebook. Every day.
312 Sanford Ave.
Wait, I may not be getting it day.
You might not be there every day.
Where is it? Where is it?
I hope you guys can see that.
I should be able to see it.
You can't keep jerking the camera around because then everything's all like wiggly.
He's had a few beers. He don't know about vlogging.
What?
He don't know about
Vlogging? I know all
vlogging.
about
She
vlogging.
don't know about
Every
vlogging.
day.
They don't know about vlogging. Hey, he kind of, I think he knows. There you go. He knows what to do.
Clogging.
He knows what to do.
What happened to Keely?
Like I said, a night in Sanford before Hurricane Irma.
You blocked me?
YouTube video?
Did you see that page where you're supposed to take a gun and shoot at the hurricane and blow it away?
Oh yeah.
Or the fan?
ice in the ocean. Did you see
I
that
didn't
one?
see that one.
I seen the one about put your fan outside and face it towards it. It'll blow it away.
So here's Keely's. I don't know why she picked that name for her.
What happened to the beer?
What beer?
The beer.
Girl, what are you doing?
There comes the beer.
Every day. Every day she does.
I guess they're at the wrong bar. They're going to the next one.
Where's the next bar?
I don't know. They went around that corner here.
So we'll have to follow them.
Yeah.
Around that corner there.
Yeah. Probably
That
Shelley
one.
City.
Somebody left beer on the table.
I'm not gonna drink beer that someone else left. Okay, she said drink beer that someone else left. I'm not gonna drink the beer that someone else left. I want my own beer. Look at this. I'm not gonna drink that.
Well, I am kind of thirsty.
Yeah, George is right. I am kind of thirsty, but I'm not gonna drink that.
Because I don't even like that kind.
Exactly. I don't like that kind.
No, that one. What's that
It's
one?
an injury or something.
Right there. That.
Well, I know these two are from me. Them two are from me.
Oh, he's dropping cigarette butts in him.
No, people might have. And then they have to go drink it.
I'm not gonna drink a cigarette butt drop beer, guys. I'm not gonna do it.
Can you imagine take a sip and the butt in there?
You think it's so?
Look, John got a beer. What happened to the rest of the beer?
Ask them. Get up close and ask them.
All right, John?
Stella cider.
John, you're on YouTube now. What do you got?
I'm not on YouTube.
Yes. Well, not yet, but you will be.
Will be when he uploads that.
What do you got there?
Stella cider.
And he didn't get one for me.
No.
No one else has a beer.
Huh?
DNR flipped.
I don't know what happened.
It's a Stella cider.
But me and John, we're kind of bearded brothers.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day.
Every day. Every day. No, but we got to get more beer, and I'll be back.